What's up, you guys? Out here at Chandler's Landing in Rockwall. Just wrapped up an awesome video shoot with Dr. Jenny, empowering women. Just a seminar she's doing. She's actually a local chiropractor. I'm gonna leave a link to her website and of her chiropractic office, and also a link to her women empowering seminar series that she's doing as well. She's an amazing woman doing amazing things. Check her out. So happy that we're able to shoot it, and y'all enjoy.
On inhale, search your body for any thoughts, emotions, or feelings of tension. Encapsulate those feelings, and on exhale, allow those thoughts to free your body and your mind. Repeat that on your own a few more times. Breathing in, scanning your body, and breathing out and letting it all go. This is your chance to create a blank slate. As your mind becomes clear, you feel your body transcend to a new environment. Your eyes are closed, and now you're aware of new sounds. You can hear the waves crashing, and you can tell your chair has been relocated to the ocean.